Hello everyone, let me appreciate you for your interest in cybersecurity. And congratulate you for your choice. Because cybersecurity is emerging with a lot of job opportunities. Discover your passion and unlock a rewarding career in cybersecurity. Today, we'll delve into the world of cybersecurity, exploring what it is and the diverse career paths it offers. Cybersecurity is the practice of protecting computers, servers, mobile devices, electronic systems, networks, and data from malicious attacks. In simple words, securing the entire cyberspace. Attacks aim to access, change, or destroy sensitive information, extort money from users, or interrupt normal business processes. Before we discuss about cybersecurity career, we will discuss about 3 types of hackers. First one is black hat hacker. You may have noticed various hacking incidents reported like attacking government websites, stealing customer data. These are performed by black hat hackers. They don't have any ethics. They perform hacking for their own benefits. They are performing unauthorized activities. Next one is a white hat hackers. These are ethical hackers who use their skills to identify vulnerabilities in systems and networks to improve security. They are often employed by companies to conduct penetration testing and vulnerability assessments. Their goal is to help organizations protect themselves from attacks. White hat hackers are also skilled hackers. The main difference between a white hat hacker and black hat hacker is a white hat hacker perform hacking after getting authentication, which means after getting permission from authorized users. Next one is a gray hat hacker. Like we know, gray color is a combination of black and white color. Gray hat hackers are combination of white hat and black hat hackers, which means gray hacker may do legal and illegal activities. The career in cybersecurity is based on white hat hackers. There are 2 career paths that are red teaming and blue teaming. I am a red team professional. My job is to identify vulnerabilities and weaknesses. I act as an attacker, using techniques and tools similar to real-world attackers. I am trying to test the organization's defenses and response capabilities. My idea is very simple. To beat a hacker, think like a hacker. I am a blue team professional. My job is to defend an organization's systems and networks from cyber attacks. I am responsible for implementing and maintaining security measures, monitoring for threats, and responding to incidents. In this course, we will cover theory and practical session. We will learn about various vulnerabilities and testing approaches. Entire course is created using animated characters explaining various topics with examples. After completing this course, you will be a professional in cybersecurity. So happy learning.